Hello JJJ, it's me Joy. I really appreciate you all. I'm glad that you all like my work. I just started posting my video content few months ago, and within few months I started seeing positive responses. I post regular content to help people who are planning to move to a new country and looking for success. I try to provide important information through my video, live streaming and vlogs in a fun and entertaining way. Today, I want to inform you all that I just launched my custom design merch and tires. Join my Patron. By signing up to my Patron programs, you guys will be able to join my exclusive video content, join my live streaming, get my custom design merch and tires. I hope my content will be informative and helpful for you all. Join my Patreon now and I can assure you that you guys will love my products and all other offerings. Thanks a lot for all the support. See you guys in my next video. Until then, peace. Before you guys leave, I want to tell you that I have my Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. I would really appreciate if you follow and subscribe my channel. Leave a comment down below about your preferences. Until then, peace out.